Hey everyone, Craig the Computer Geek here, back with Friday Focus. This week's a bit different. This is genuinely the kit I'd use if I was starting a YouTube channel myself. Let's go through it. For the mic, the Modu Studio USB mic is $119. Cardioid condenser, 24-bit audio, and it comes with a detachable pop filter. If you want something even cheaper to start, the Modu Chat USB mic is around $79. To hold it, the Rode PSA-1 boom arm is $179. It clamps to your desk and keeps the mic out of your webcam shot. It's an industry standard for a reason. If you'd rather go wireless and record away from your desk, the Joby Wavo Air wireless mic kit is $199. Clips onto your clothes, no cable needed, great for filming product reviews on the move. For lighting, a basic ring light or RGBW fill light kit will do more for your video quality than any camera upgrade. Good light matters more than what people think. My verdict? You don't need to spend a fortune to start. Mic first, boom arm second, lighting third. Camera can wait. Get the audio right and people will forgive a so-so picture, but not the other way round. That's Friday Focus. See you Tuesday for the next tech tip.